Chapter 2 做家事用吸尘器
It's time to clean up. Can you help, Mummy? Will you try to use the vacuum? Try it, it's fun.
I want to try, Mommy. I'll help you clean all the time.
Open the window and let the fresh air in. Be careful when you open the window. Can you move a little bit? Can you move your toys so I can vacuum? You need to move the stuff on the floor. Let's tidy up the shoes. I just want to get the dust off. Isn't the vacuum heavy? Give it to Mommy.
I want to clean up my room. Look, lots of hair. Ew, gross.
Want to take a little break? It's clean after we clean up. We finished early because of you, my darling. You're all grown up helping Mommy clean the house. Aren't you tired?
扫地擦地板
Let's wipe the floor. I'm going to sweep the floor today. We're going to wipe the room with a rag. I wipe after sweeping. We need to use the vacuum before we wipe the floor. Can you help me clean the room? Can you get me the rag? Turn it over and clean the floor. Ugh, the rag's too dirty. We need to wash the rag. Clean everywhere and make everything nice and neat. Clean with all your strength. It looks like you're cleaning carelessly.
Mom, this isn't all clean yet.
I think Daddy should do it. Clean quickly and get me the rag. Wiping the floor is tiring, isn't it?
My knees hurt after kneeling down. Use the mop instead of a rag.
整理玩具
The toys on the floor are a mess. Who made such a mess? Why is there such a mess? You should clean up after you play. What should you do with your toys when you finish playing with them? Go put away your toys so Mommy can clean the room.
I was just about to clean that up. Can I play a bit longer? I'll clean up after a little while. I don't want to clean it up. Just leave it there, please.
Can you clean up by yourself? Pick up the blocks and the other toys. Please pick up your toys from the floor. You should put the books back on the shelves. Put it in the toy box. Put it back where it was. Where should these toys go? You should put away your own toys. Wow, you cleaned up so nicely. You deserve a sticker for cleaning up. Mommy feels so happy because you're helping me. The toys want to go back to their home. Can I get rid of this since it's still on the floor? Ugh, when are we going to clean up all of this? Should we give away the toys to other babies now?
Don't give them away. I'll clean them up.
打扫房间及整理书桌。
Please clean up your room. Please clear off your desk. The bookshelves are all messed up. Please empty the trash can. Your bed is so messy.
I want to clean my desk by myself. Please clean up my room for me, Mom. I'm sorry. I'll clean it up right away. It is so messy that I can't clean it by myself. I won't mess it up the next time.
洗碗。
Mommy is doing the dishes. We should do the dishes. There are a lot of dishes today. Can you clear the table? Can you wipe the table? Put the dishes in the sink. Please put away the dishes you used. Please put away the dishes from the table. Can you help me do the dishes? Who will do the dishes today?
Can I do the dishes today? I want to try doing the dishes. Where is the sponge? Where is the liquid soap? Let me do the dishes from now on.
You're a big boy now helping me do the dishes. You're a big girl now helping me do the dishes. You can do that when you are older. Put on the rubber gloves and put some liquid soap on the sponge. Wash the dishes carefully so they won't break. Wash them carefully so there is no food left. They are sparkling clean. Turn off the water. There is still some soap on it. It's slippery. Oily residue is hard to get off. Use hot water to wash off the grease. Place the dripping bowls upside down on the rack. Dry the plates with a dish towel. We've got a lot to clean, so let's use the dishwasher. Load the dishes in the dishwasher. The detergent should go in here. Okay, close the door and push this button.
洗衣服。
I'm going to use the washing machine. I'm going to do the laundry. Let's put the laundry in the machine. Get the socks all together. Put the colored clothes here and the whites over there.
Should these pants be washed? Gosh, Dad's socks smell bad. Mom, can you wash this shirt?
There are stains on the shirt. We're going to boil the whites in towels.
There is a lot of laundry to do.
Put in the detergent. I'll hand wash this. Don't put those clothes in the machine. We have to dry clean those clothes. The laundry is done. Laundry's done.
晾衣服，
Let's hang the clothes on the rack. Will you help me hang the clothes? Try hanging your clothes by yourself.
I want to hang the socks.
Put it on the drying rack. Whose sock is this? Can you hang the socks? Shake each item and put it on the rack. Shape the clothes before you hang them.
These are my briefs. Wow! Dad's trunks are super big. Your bra is pretty, Mom.
Make sure the clothes don't hit the ground. Put the shirt on the hanger. We will need some clothespins.
Here's a clothespin.
The stain's not completely out. It will be all dry tomorrow. There's no room anymore. The weather should be nice. The laundry is going to dry well because it's sunny. A sunny day is a good laundry day. If it rains, the laundry won't dry well.
折衣服，
The laundry is all dry. The laundry's not completely dry yet.
The clothes are well dried. We should get the dry clothes.
Let's take the clothes off the rack. Can you help me get the clothes off? Can you help me fold the clothes? Let's fold these clothes neatly. Try to fold it neatly. Fold it in half like this. Put the socks in the sock bin. Can you put the clothes back in the right places? You should fold your own clothes.
Let me fold mine by myself.
That's Daddy's.
Where is the other sock?
Can you find the other pair? Whose is this? Get Daddy's clothes in one place. Put them in the drawer. Hang the shirts on the coat hanger. This is how you fold clothes.
Mom, this is too big for me to fold. Did I do a good job folding those clothes?
烫衣服，
We need to iron Dad's shirt. The shirt's all wrinkled. Want to see Mommy ironing?
The iron looks like a boat.
The iron's too hot. It's dangerous. Don't touch it. You shouldn't iron by yourself. Don't come near it since it's hot. Go sit over there while I'm ironing.
Watch out, Mom!
We need to spray it with water first. will you get me the spray bottle? We need to straighten out the wrinkles by ironing. Look, it's straightening out.
The wrinkles are gone. That's cool.
This is a steam iron. Wait, you should wear your pants after we iron them. We should iron Mummy's apron. Pleated skirts are hard to iron. We need to iron it so there are no wrinkles. We need to make the lines neat. The collar's straight now. Isn't it neat after ironing? It's warm since we just ironed it.
Let me spray water on the shirt for you.
It's still hot after we pull the cord out.
照顾花草。
Let's put some water in the flower pots. Let's water the flowers. The soil is all dry. The flowers withered. Seems like the flowers are thirsty. Let's give them some water so the flowers won't wither.
I'll water this flower. I want to give it some water now. How much should I pour?
Tilt the watering can more. Slowly pour the water in the watering can on the flower. If the weather's hot, we need to give it more water. Giving too much water might make the plant die. Make sure the water doesn't actually touch the flower. By pouring water, the dust and bugs are washed away. What flower is this? This flower has a strong scent. Smell it. Flower gardens make the air in the house cleaner. The flowers are in full blossom. This tree bears fruit. The sprouts have come up. This plant has no flowers growing. Can you take care of the flowers? Clean the dust on the leaves.
Oh my! Will this tree die? Let me take care of these plants now. This is going to be my tree.
修东西。
Looks like it's broken.
Mom, it's not working. Mom, can you fix this? I broke it by accident. Can it be used again?
I'll try. Looks like I can handle it. I'll fix it tomorrow. When you come back, it will be working. I'll fix it so that it will be like it's brand new. It doesn't work because it is broken. What if it gets worse? This looks like I can't fix it. It won't be as good as it used to be, even if we fix it. Sorry, we're going to have to wait till Dad gets here. Ask Daddy to fix this.
Daddy can fix anything. Can we throw it away and get a new one?
We shouldn't just get rid of it. Let's try to fix it.
I'm so sad that it's broken. Thank you for fixing it.
吃午餐。
Mom, I'm hungry. I'm starving to death.
Wait a second. I'll have lunch ready soon.
What is for lunch?
What about sandwich? Want to eat at home or out? Want to order something for lunch?
Can I eat ramen? I want some pizza.
If you eat candy, lunch won't taste good. I'll get the fish bones out. Is it too big? Let me cut it off. Eat just a little bit, even though you don't feel like eating. Fast food isn't good for you. You finished an entire plate very quickly. Did you eat enough, sweetheart? Eat a lot and get strong. I'll get lunch ready and then leave.